Okay, today's Pro Shop challenge is who can regrip a club faster? Master Craftsman Phil Wright or Chris Trackman Truce Moss? Right, the challenge is to regrip this, I think it's an Orca, is it Phil?
Yep.
Orca from a lambkin, usual grip, to a lovely multi-decade Golf Pride. Right, Phil, are you ready?
Let's go for it.
Nerves?
Yeah, very.
Okay, right, on the count of three. 3, 2, 1, go. Picking up the club, putting the clamp on. Let me get around the corner here. Very nice. Now, air gun technique. Oh, wow. Fascinating. Grip straight off. Look at that. No white spirit used at all. No knife. Here we are. Grip insert. This is a good time. This is a very good time. It's in. Oh my God, it's on already. 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 seconds. Great effort. I can beat that. Let's have you.
Good. Right, Chris Moss, Coomwood Golf Club, world record attempt to beat 25 seconds done by Phil Wright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bang. Won't be reusing that one. Where are we going? No, it's all gone wrong.
Shouldn't have taken out. Big mistake. Big error from Moss. No, he's not beating right on this one. Second world record attempt to beat Phil Wright's record. Chris Moss at Coomwood Golf. Second attempt, yes, the second attempt failed miserably on the first. Never mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Wright's record is 25 seconds. That's good. That's good. No, he's not going to do it. You're on 20 seconds. You're on 20 seconds, and it's all over. He's done 20. Oh my God! It's all gone wrong for
Guns!
That's a shocker. What's he done?